Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, we will do a DIY Japanese candy haul with my children. One of the main challenge we had is that the instructions were all written in Japanese. Using Google Translate and a bit of trial and error, the full Japanese candy was made. Here are what's inside the package. The tools, the trays, the spoon, they were all very tiny. The candies that you make will also turn out very tiny. There are different shapes and numbers in the given plastic tray. Depending on which candy you're making, cut out the shape that you need. Here is the process of making the first candy. Add some water to the powder, mix it up. Here my daughter is helping me mix, so we divided the task between both my children and they were very involved in making the Japanese candies. Once you're done mixing it, scoop it up into the round shaped tray, flatten it out and let it sit. Insert toothpicks and voila, these are cherry flavored. The second DIY Japanese candy is the ice-shaved candy. Basically, you have the powder, mix some water to it. Once that's done, you will scoop it up into one of the deeper trays that was provided. Next, make the topping. Once that's done mixing up, pour it on top like so and enjoy! The third DIY candy is the candy corn. The yellow candy that comes with it smells really good and reminds you of haichu or puchao candy. To make this candy look like a candy corn, pour some sprinkle and roll it. This is how it looks like. For the fourth DIY candy, it's the chocolate dipped banana candy using banana flavored powder. Mix them up, roll them into the banana shape, press the candy down firmly. Next, mix up the chocolate sauce and drizzle it on top of the banana you've just made. Pour sprinkles over it. Voila! Here is your chocolate dipped banana candy. Here are the 4 DIY Japanese candies. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found this video helpful in any ways, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to check out my other beautiful party favorite easy DIY tutorials playlist. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.